Step it on your legs, and we're going to pass the count of 4 around the circle. So I'll go first. I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now say your name. Miss Kathy. 2, 3, 4.
Madison.
3, 4.
Samantha.
4.
Jules.
2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.
Caleb.
2, 3, 4.
Joy.
2, 3, 4. Woo! Woo! Cool. Now let's do up and switch. It's easier if you put your hands on top of the stretchy band instead of under it. There you go. Switch. 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 Now in. Like a karate. Now big circle. You can feel it on your muscles, can't you? Say row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. And out. 2, 3, 4. Bend. 2, 3, 4. And in. 2, 3, 4. Let your tummy. 2, 3, 4. And out. So bend your knees. And out. 2. Bring your feet apart a little bit. And you're going to grab it with your palm up underneath the stretchy band in between your feet. Okay, got it? And one hand. Let's see some arm curls. Come on, let's see if you can do 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
I'm doing
6, 7, 8. Switch hands. Oh, this is cool, actually. Watch what Jules doing. Which way are you gonna go? That way? Okay. Overhand, overhand. Pass it around.
Really fast, really.
Go, not too fast.
Faster,
Good. See if you can do it on the
faster,
beat. Bump and
faster,
then pass
faster.
and then touch and over and over and over and touch. That's cool. Switch.
Someone's going too fast.
No, we need.
And stop. All right. Oh.
Okay, 1, 2,
And you do it all together. Put it up. Boom. Bum, bum, ba-da-dum.
Which way?
Bum,
Keep
ba-da-dum.
going.
That's cool. Big arm circles. That gave me an idea. Who knows how to do the wave? Like at a
Oh,
baseball
yeah.
game? I'll go first. We'll go this way.
Wait, what?
Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Okay, you gotta do it slow though. Up. Now you. Now you. Now you. Now you. There it goes. So on the word let go, then you open your hands and it goes flying in the middle. Jaw to let go on the word go. Okay? 1, 2, 3, let go! You did it. I knew you could.